Hello friends, in this video I'm going to cover a very common problem on installing RTX voice on non-RTX GPUs. So to do so, first of all we need to have RTX installer. So first of all open any browser and type nvidea RTX voice. Then hit enter and click on the first link, nvidea RTX voice setup guide. It will redirect you to the official nvidea homepage. You can read out if you need it some information regarding this. You can read the requirements, supported application that supports the background noise cleaning, that needs background noise cleaning feature, and the process how you can install it. Just keep this and click on download the application link. I have already downloaded it, so for now I'm skipping this process. And then go to the downloaded folder, close this and double click on it. It will take some time, don't worry, it is just extracting the files in background. If you have RTX GPU installed in your PC, then it will normally install the application. For now I don't have any RTX GPU, so it will show a problem like this. nvidea installer cannot continue, so I have to bypass it, which is this video is made for. So to do so, you have to go to the local.C, then temp folder, double click on it, and you have our nvidea RTX folder. So double click on the first folder, then open the artistvoice.nvi. In my case, I have opened it with Notepad software. So open it and then go delete these 3 lines of codes which I have shown in this video, and save that file. While saving, it will give you some error like this because it needs some admin privileges. So follow these steps so that you can resolve these problems. Right click on properties, then security option, then edit option. Now grant privileges to all the users, then apply and OK. It will solve this problem for saving these files. After that, go back to the folder and click on the setup.exe file. executable file. Now you can see I have successfully bypassed the process. Install again and continue button. It will normally install the application. You are not at this GPU. You can see the application is running. So that's all for today's video.